Hello and welcome to Astrotonic. We have observed that at certain time when there is a headwind, it is difficult to sail, and when there is a tailwind, it is easier. Similarly, there are points of massive luck, and there are also points of tough luck in astrology. Whenever there is a planetary alignment in certain way, it helps achieve higher goal and it helps achieve massive success. We are going to discuss the point of super luck or pod. This is a totally novel concept in astrology. For finding out the point of super luck, you have to note the ascendant lord degree. It's a Lagnesh degree in absolute terms. For example, your Lagnesh is 10 degree Gemini. It has completed two signs, Aries and Taurus, 30 degree, 30 degree, and now it is in 10 degree Gemini. So 30 plus 30 plus 10, it is 70 degree in absolute terms. Similarly, you can find the degree in absolute terms. Maximum is 360, minimum is 0. Similarly, note down ninth lord degree in absolute terms. Now, there are two components. One is horizontal and the other is vertical. Take cosine of ascendant lord degree, which is horizontal component, and sine of ninth lord degree, which is vertical component. Find the algebraic sum of these two vectors, and the resultant vector from the horizontal is showing the degree at which the point of massive luck lies. I will show you by example. For example, this is the chart of Cancer ascendant. You can see the ascendant lord is moon. Moon is in ninth house, and ninth lord is Jupiter. It is placed in sixth house. These are absolute degrees of moon, 351.03 and 264.467. Take cosine of ascendant lord and take sine of ninth lord. Whenever, if you do it in calculator, take it in degree mode and then do it. If you do it in Excel, you convert, you put that cos into bracket radian of that, because it is considering radian. So you have to convert degree into radian and then it will find out. Effectively, you have to take cosine of 351 degree and sine of 264.467 degree. So this is horizontal and this is vertical component. Take square of it, x square and y square. Add them up, x square plus y square. Take a square root. This is the resultant vector. And take the ratio of x over under root x square plus y square, and it is z. Take cos inverse z in degree mode, it will get 45.21 degree, and subtract that from 360, because this is the component here. The vertical component is negative, horizontal is positive. So if you see here, the horizontal is positive, vertical is negative. It is in fourth quadrant. So resultant vector is here. Now absolute degree is 360 like this. Now vector is here. So you have to deduct this degree from 360 to find the absolute value of this angle. So it is 314 in this case, 314.78. This means the point of massive luck lies at 314.78. The nearest multiple of 30 is 300. So it has completed 10 houses. 30 into 10 is 300. And now it is in 11th house. So the point of massive luck is 14.78 degree in 11th house for this chart. This is another chart of Scorpio ascendant. You can see the ascendant lord is Mars. Mars is in 8th house. Ninth lord is moon, and moon is in 6th house. These are the degrees, 70.53 and 12.32. cosine of 70.53 is 0.333 and sine of 12.32 is 0.2133. Now take square of this, add them up, take a square root, and you will get this value. And then similarly find out cos inverse z. You will get 32.62. Now both these components are positive. If x and y, both the components are positive, it will fall in first quadrant. So here this is 32.62 degree in first quadrant. The nearest multiple of 30 is 30 only, so it has completed 30. It has completed one zodiac. It is in second zodiac, so 2.62 degree in second house. For this, the point of massive luck falls in second house. Second house, Sagittarius, 2.62 degree. This is another chart again with Cancer ascendant. You can see ascendant lord is in 12th house and ninth lord is in 4th house. These are the absolute degrees. And take cosine and sine, cosine of ascendant lord, sine of ninth lord, and take x square, y square, add them up, take square root, and find out cos inverse z similarly. But here, just check the cos, the horizontal component is positive, vertical component is negative. Horizontal is positive, vertical is negative. It is in fourth quadrant. And for that, again, if you see, it will be, it has to be deducted from 360. So the point is 295.35, and the nearest multiple of 30 is 270. So it has completed 30 into 9, 270, and now it is in 10th house. So for this chart, the point of massive luck falls in 10th house. For this chart, the ascendant lord is Jupiter. Jupiter is in 9th house. Ninth lord is Sun. Sun is in 7th house. You can see here the absolute degrees. Take cosine of ascendant lord, sine of ninth lord, and do again the same process. Horizontal component, vertical component, square them, add them up, take square root, take x over under root x square plus y square, and take cos inverse of that. You'll find 125.07, and this is over here. You can see the cos, the horizontal component is negative and vertical is positive. When horizontal is negative and vertical is positive, it is in second quadrant. This is negative direction, this positive direction. So here it is falling in second quadrant and it is 125. That means it has completed 4 zodiac and it is in 5th zodiac, 5th house basically. So it is the point of massive luck falls in 5th house at 5.07 degree. Similarly, you can find the point of massive luck for any chart. It is the point over which, when the benefic planets will pass, it will have massive luck. You can gain significantly, you can accomplish great things. Moreover, the lord of that house, for example, here the point was falling in 11th house. Lord of 11th is Venus. Venus is very benefic here. Here the point was falling in second house. Jupiter is very benefic here. Here the point was falling in 10th house. Mars is benefic. And here again the point was falling in 5th house. So Mars is very benefic. In this way we can predict which planet is very benefic and which degree is very benefic, over which when the planets will pass it will have massive luck and one can accomplish great things. Thank you very much, and please subscribe and comment and share. Thank you very much.